We heard about a place called the Buffalo Nickel from a local, and to get here though, you need to take a nice little courtesy shuttle ride. Just call the phone number of the restaurant right here, and you can go ahead and get over here and see how well it works. The Buffalo Samper Buffalo Wings, yeah, it looks like taquitos, quesadilla, and wow, a lot of nachos there with a good salsa. Let's go with a little quesadilla, cheese quesadilla. Let's see, ranch. Ranch or blue cheese, probably for the buffalo. I prefer salsa for my quesadilla. Very nice flavorful salsa. Cheese quesadilla, can't go wrong with cheese quesadilla. Try some taquito. Very crisp tortilla, shredded chicken. Tastes good. It's a good taquito. No cheese in there, but you can add the sauce with it. Let's go with the buffalo wing. Now this I will dip in the ranch. Little cough there because that is spicy. It's a nice spicy buffalo wing. Standard buffalo wing, it's not getting on the place to get it. Not terribly special, not bad. Oh, but look at this guacamole, sour cream, nacho chip, some refried beans in there, it looks like. Let's get one of these. One that's already full of flavor. Add some of this sour cream, guacamole. Nice and crispy chips. Very good refried beans in there. Nice cheese topping. Sour cream guacamole. Very good. The nachos are a very nice touch. Very good Mexican stamper platter. This will be very good for a meal in itself, or to share as an appetizer. Let's go with the fish and chips. We have an orange slice here. Let's see, some tartar sauce. You can see the nice flaky fish inside. The batter nice and crispy, breaded. Let's go ahead and give that tartar sauce with the fish a try. It's a very dilly tartar sauce. Hope that dill flavor going there. Let's try it. That fish is very tender. Coating is nice and crispy. And that tartar sauce, that dill flavor that you don't usually get in a tartar sauce, add a very nice touch to this fish and chips. Probably one of the best fish and chips I've ever had, to be honest. That's a very nice complementary flavor of the dill with the fish. That was an excellent dish. Guess what? It's a real buffalo burger. Let's see if the smell is any different from what I use with beef. Oh, there is a different smell. Different. Does smell a little different. Do what I like. They came with the extra onions. That sounds pretty good. Sliced tomato. Some lettuce on it. Let's put the sauce on the bottom. Looks like a $1,000 dressing. Great for dipping fries too. Put it all in there. Let's get a good bite. What can I say about it? How does it compare to a beef burger? I think it's a little, the version they have here, this buffalo, it's a little on the drier side. It's not as greasy as a beef burger. It tastes really good. Onions are nice. The sauce tastes really good. It tastes like your standard burger. If you want a good burger, this is one that you can get. This is the one I'm looking forward to. The Philly Catalina, I think they call it. It's these sliced beef, and I wanted pastrami, but they were out of it, unfortunately. But so you have the beef, you got the peppers, jalapenos, and cheese inside. Oh, see, there's the jalapeno. That makes it extra spicy. Take a big bite of that. So let's see what that's like. The jalapeno does add a spice to it. I like a pickled jalapeno. The peppers kind of taste pickled. Mixed with the beef. Nice sliced beef, thinly sliced. Like a regular beef screw-up sandwich. With a nice layer of melted cheese on top. Pretty good beef dish. For me, the pickled type of vegetables isn't as good as I might have liked. But it definitely is a good fare to have. And last we got ceviche, avocado on top, Spicy cucumbers. These look nice and spicy. Let's try a spicy cucumber, and then we'll dig into the ceviche. Mostly cucumber with a light spice on it. A nice little addition to a cool cucumber. All right, the star of the meal, maybe. Ceviche. Ceviche and avocado. Let's try it. Oh. This is very tasty. That lime flavor all throughout the fish. Used to cook the fish, and in the juice with the smoothness of the avocado. A nice contrast in there. The flavor and the spice of the red onions and the tomatoes. That very tender and flavorful fish. It must be fresh fish, because this is a really good ceviche. Reminiscent of the one that I had when I was in Cancun, Mexico. Maybe not quite as good, but it is still a very good ceviche. So if you're interested in coming to a place that the tourists don't know about so much, it's out of the way. It's called Buffalo Nickel. You can walk around the side, or you can get a free shuttle. Just call the number, and they'll bring you here to a nice, non-touristy restaurant that serves good food.